Okay, in this video, we'll explore running the live camera detection demo. This is part of the Hello AI World examples. So this one will be about real-time camera streaming. So the input will be obtained from a camera connected. Okay, so we'll just run the program using this. I'll use the Python one. So detectnet.py and provide the USB camera, which currently is on video 1. Okay, so the window display appears. Let's see if we can detect stuff. Okay, so it's able to detect the examples and the bottle cup bowl. Okay, so it works. Can it detect itself? Not with the casing. Can it detect a pen? Is this a scissors? Nope. Okay, I guess different network will be identifying different things. Can detect a mouse. Okay, so there's a live feed into the DetectNet program.